Yo, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this kind of problem where you need to find the general form with a square root of 5 or a square root of radius, especially if there are radius is square root. So I'm going to show you how to solve that. First, let's write the standard equation, standard form. This is standard form where positive will become negative, as you can see. Then negative will become positive if these guys are negative. So first, then after that, let's write the general form, where x times x squared, then y squared, then 4 times 2 is 8, so negative 8y, then 2 times 2 is negative 4y. Make sure you look out for the sign. If this is positive, it will become plus. For example, if this is y plus 2 squared, then it's gonna be 8y plus 4y. So yeah, that's the thing you need to watch out for is the sign. Make sure you complete that. First, so how do we get this? First, let's solve this first. 4 times 4 is 16. Let's write 16 down here. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 4. So that's 20. So, but how do we get this? Well, first you need to, this is squared, so 5 squared, let's see, I'm trying to do it. If something is squared, for example, if as a square root is squared, that's the thing that you need to remove the squared by the time you I'm bad. Crap, I'm very bad at explaining. See, just calm down, mind. If there is a square root of number that is squared, like this one, by the time you solve this, for example, 5 squared will just become 5. So this is gonna be just 5, so minus 5. So that's 15. So plus 15 is equal to 0. Alright, I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna do something a little bit. It's just gonna be the same, but it's gonna be a different kind of format. For example, let's try negative 8, then this is positive 4. And the radius is, let's try something else. Let's try 6. No, let's try 19. Square root of 19. Well, crap, it's gonna be a lot harder. So how do we solve that? As usual, we need to write the standard form, x plus 8 because that is negative, plus y minus 4 because that is positive, squared is equals to square root of 19. Then let's write the general form. Again, x times x is x squared, then y times y is y squared, then 8 times 8 is equals to 16. 8 times 2 is 16, so plus 16x. Then negative 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 8y. Crap, my brain is slowing. Plus, is that, or, well, it's not right if plus first because we don't know if the equal of this 3 is gonna be positive or negative. First, let's solve it. 8 times 8 is 64, then 4 times 4 is 16. Let's add that. That's 10, 8, so that's 80. Now, oh wait, I forgot to square this. If this is squared, square root of 19 squared, this is gonna be just 19 by the time you write it down. So minus 19. That is 7. It will become 10. It becomes 1. And this will become 61. So this is gonna be plus 61 is equal to 0. So yeah, that's how you solve the square root of radius using standard form to general form, where you need to find this one. Oh wait, this is x, not y. But how do we do the vice versa one? First, let's start right here. So the vice versa one we need to do, I never actually review it, so I'm just doing this by my head. X squared plus y squared minus 8y, wait no, it's 8y minus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0. First, let's, a shorter version of this is 8, is to divide this by 2. instantly, so you don't need to write it down, so that it becomes negative 4, and this will become negative 2. Make sure you look out for the sign. Make sure you write the sign with the time the equals of it, because negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Then the same goes for negative 4. So 4 squared, then 2 squared is gonna be 16. So that's 16. Let's try it. 16, and that is 4. That becomes 20, and it's gonna be minus 5. 15 is equal to 5. Wait, someone. So the center of this is gonna be C is equals to positive 4 because this is negative, and positive 2 because this is negative 2. And the radius is gonna be 5, square root of 5. So yeah, that's how you solve this one, vice versa. Alright, let's try the other one. Let's write down on here. X squared plus y squared, then plus 16x minus 8y, then plus 61 is equals to 0. As usual, we need to divide these two by 2. So 16 divided by 2, that's 8. And negative 8 divided by 2, so negative 4. Make sure you square them after. Then 8 times 8 is 64. Then 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. That will become, how much is that again? 80. Right here. 80. Then after that, you just do the same thing again. The positive 61 will become negative by the time where you write it down here. So minus 61. That becomes 7, then 10, that's 9, that's 1, so 19. So the center is equals to negative 8, then positive 4, then the radius is square root of 19. So yeah, right there. So yeah, that's how you easily solve this one. It's actually very easy. But I'm going to show you right away, maybe soon, because I don't know how to do it yet, bro. So I'm gonna study first. So yeah, that's about it.